Deficiency judgments. Lender wins court case, borrower in default to pay loss. If a lender loans on real property, the borrower and the borrower fails to pay or defaults, the lender goes to repossess or foreclose on the property in an effort to sell the property and regain the amount loaned plus additional expenses of the foreclosure. But what happens if the home or property cannot be sold for enough to cover the original loan amount? This may have been particularly true if the economy as a whole is in decline or experiencing deflation. The lender has the option to go to court and sue the borrower for the remaining amount lost on the loan. If successful, the lender receives a deficiency judgment for the amount lost. Most lenders do not go to this length as it is often cheaper to cut their losses and move on. Additionally, there is the very real possibility that a borrower who cannot meet his obligations under a real property loan probably does not have extra cash laying around to pay a deficiency judgment. Such a person might be declaring personal bankruptcy anyway, making all the work of obtaining a deficiency judgment a waste of time. A deficiency judgment is a court order for a borrower in default to cover the lost amount by the lender. Multiple choice question. Deficiency judgments. A. Court decision does not include all the aspects of a case. B. Lender wins court case, borrower in default to pay loss. C. Length times width with units raised to the power of 2. D. Defaulting borrower covered by the sale of the asset. So a deficiency judgment is B as in boy, lender wins court case, borrower in default to pay loss.